Hello, 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 everybody. What are you doing? Weekly. Going from weekly ER to IR. IR got met. It looks like you're gonna close above and go based out of that. On the daily, what do we got? Daily. Weekly changing event. So today there's gonna be no setup today, Chad. There's gonna be no setup here. On the daily, go from a daily ERL to IRL. Like right when the scanner closes, right when it taps the low, I can't take a trade. Oh my goodness. But yeah, chat, our setup has been beautiful. From our yesterday setup was beautiful. This setup we had right over here, beautiful ass setup to the upside. It's just that we put our stop loss to a high beyond our entry point. So yeah, learning point right over there. And yeah, that's the butterfly model right over there for you guys, man. Okay. It looks like the market went beyond our IRLs. Let's gonna go from a weekly ERL. The IRL got inverse, so we're gonna go from a weekly to the high that creates this IRL, which is all over here, which is leading to the monthly time frame. On a daily, what do we got here? On daily, we're going from a daily ERL to IRL, right? Which we will not get a setup today. Yeah, we're not in the range right now. Currently, we're not in the range. Yeah. Okay, so on the weekly, what do we have here? Weekly ERL to IRL gap just got met, and our weekly CRT high got met, and we got nothing else here. Our weekly CRT goal has already been met here, and yeah, today's probably gonna be no trading day. Today's gonna be a relaxed day, and as well as what do we have here on the weekly? We're going for this weekly fair value gets inverse. We're going to the high that creates fair value gap, which is all over here. What else do we have here? Our daily. We have daily classic expansion profile 2, Monday low of the week, and Friday is going to be a retracement / reversal. So Friday met the goal, so we can get a Friday low retracement / reversal. But it may not happen because the weekly for Vegas is already here, and market needs to close above it in order for us to go to the next week. In order for us to go higher price point from here on in, right? So in order for us to go all over here, right? On a daily time for those we have here, daily ERL to IRL. That'll give me another context here. So what do we have for our share bias here? Our share bias, all we have is nothing on the weekly. On a daily, we have a daily ERL to IRL, daily CRT. There's no daily CRT. I mean, we have a daily classic expansion profile 2, Monday low of the week, and Friday continuation. Eventually, Friday is going to be a retracement / reversal, right? So Friday, we're going to have a little retracement here on 4-hour time frame. What do we have here? On the 4-hour time frame, we have a range low, range high. So right when this candle closes bearish, we're going to be in a range. So I can't trade until the range high gets purged or range low gets purged, right? Why? Bearish candle, bullish candle, and bullish and bearish candle, right? So we're gonna be in a range. Yes, it's ranges are subjective, and this is relatively near to the market price. So this is what we're gonna have to go work out with, right? And what else we have here? That's that. We have a range high right over here. Range high. Range low. Right? We have a range high, range low. Right, we got a range high, we got a range low, we have a CRT. So for our CRT, for the New York reversal, you must go above this high because this candle, 1 a.m. candle, is the high of the day, right? Which we don't want. For bearish, if we're looking for a New York reversal, the 17 o'clock should not be the low of the day. The 17 o'clock should not be low of the day. It should be the high of the day, right? Because I'm a bearish, right? And as well as the New York reversal, this 5 a.m. candle, this 9 a.m. candle has to be the high of the day, not the 20 a.m. candle, right? But if the market does go below this 1 a.m. candle, the 5 a.m. candle low, I can't take a trade. Why? Because I'm looking for a mediocre reversal profile 2, 5 a.m. accumulation, 9 a.m. manipulation, and 1 p.m. expansion, right? So right when it goes below this candle, I can't take a trade. So right when it does that, I'm done, right? And after that, I need the market to go above this 5 a.m. candle high and even tap the range high, because this range high is going to be our key level and we're in a range. So yeah, yo, what's good, bro? What's good? What's good, my boy Trader? What's good? So there's going to be considered as our range and our key level for this trade. So yeah, we have a bullish order flow. We're looking for a Friday retracement. And what else do we have here? We have a let me see, daily range here. Market souped out a low right over here. Eventually, market souped out a high. So our low is all over here. So market went down. Range low got souped. So market souped out a low. Eventually, market souped out a high. Anyway, souped out a low. This is a low right over here. The swing low. This swing high. This is swing low because this candle is above this other candle. Okay. Market souped out a low and souped out a high, made a stable high, a stable low. So we could have potentially a daily range here, right? So yeah, you can see right over here where we could possibly have a daily range. Market souped out a low, it souped out a high, right? Once you soup out this, market made a stable low right over here, eventually made a stable high. So once again, this is a swing low, you souped it out. This is a legit high right afterwards, souped it out, right? Yes, this candle is the same candle. it's still gonna be, working because nothing's gonna be perfect, right? So we got a stable low right over here, and we got a stable high. So market press out a low and press out a high, making a daily range. So there's everything here is premium, everything here is discount, right? So we're buying in the premium. You can see weekly time frame, expand a lot. So that should definitely be a premium area to sell, right? But our CRT is this candle, but this candle low should not get souped because this would be considered as a near continuation to the upside. So if this low gets souped out first, this low cannot get souped out first because this will be considered as a near continuation, and it will invalidate our bias. And let's go to market profiling, market open, accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. Right, we can possibly get another retracement or another expansion, but that expansion is going to go against us. We're potentially get a retracement at the ski level, they get a reversal, retracement, expansion, right? That's why we don't want this low to get souped out first. If that low gets souped out, it'll be considered as a near continuation, which we don't want, right? We want a New York reversal because of Friday. But today is not like a good day to trade because of the weekly, right? Weekly objective got met today. So the day the weekly objective gets met or the objective gets met, market usually likes to just chill off, right? So yeah. So next week, if this Ferrari gets inversed, this CRT might go to the downside, but we're looking to go long because this CRT will have to go best side of the ERL to IRL. This all get inverse. We're going to sort of highlight crazy, boom, and eventually we're not going to go best out of this weekly CRT. We're going to go best out of the monthly CRT, right? This monthly CRT right over here. So you can see how next week we're probably going to dodge next week we're probably not going to be using the weekly CRT. We're going to be going best out of the weekly IRL inversion to the ERL, right? So the right, once IRL gets inversed, we're going to the ERL that creates this IRL. Eventually, if there's a weekly CRT to the downside, we're not going to go based on the weekly CRT. We're going to go based on the monthly because the weekly is heading to the downside, but monthly is heading to the upside, right? And it makes sense because the monthly go from a monthly ERL to IR, a monthly going from CRT low to CRT high, right? So that's why it makes sense for us to do that. And people wondering why we're not using the next week. Why are we not going to use the weekly CRT to the downside? Very simply because of the market and the higher time frame wants to go up higher, right? And this weekly CRT is going to the downside. Yes, this is a weekly time frame, but higher time frame, higher power, right? So if this weekly CRT is if the market is making more sense to go to the upside because the weekly ERL to IRL is all getting inverse, we go to the high that creates this IRL, which is this ERL, right? And as well as a monthly, we're going from monthly CRT to the upside. It makes more sense to go to the upside rather than to the downside, right? So next week we have to go based on the monthly CRT, as well as if this CRT gets respected and we see a respect out of it, I'm going to go based out of this, right? But if we don't get a respect out of it, I'm going based out of the monthly. So yeah. So let's go to a top-down analysis one more time. What are our analysis to the downside? Our weekly objective got met, so we're looking for a Friday retracement / reversal. And the higher time frame is going to be a retracement. The lower time frame is going to be a little reversal. So we're going from a daily ERL to IRL. We as well have a daily classic question profile 2, Friday retracement. And as well as we souped out a low, souped out a high, we have a daily range low, daily range high. So we tapped the discounted area right over here. So I mean, we're in a premium area, so in premium we want to sell, in discount we want to buy, right? And this daily range makes sense to go to the downside. So if I do get in a trade here, if somehow market goes all the way over here, it taps this zero and try, it comes back down. I'm looking to go all the way down to this low right over here, right? Which would be a one of our take profit. Why would be over there? Because daily range is one of our take profits. But if this does go all the way up here to the daily range high, it will invalidate this whole setup. It will invalidate this whole daily range, so we wouldn't be able to use it, right? But we have a range low, range high right over here. Is bearish. Once this candle closes bearish, we have a range, right? Once we got the range, we have to wait for the range high or range low to get purged. So, and that's that. And as well, other thing is that we have to wait for this soup to happen. I mean, we have to wait for this CRT had to get souped as well, and as well as we cannot let the CRT load to get souped first. If it does get souped first, we cannot take it because of it's going to be considered as a neo continuation, and we're going to invalidate our bias. And yeah, that's that. That's my bias here for the day. The order flow is bullish. We have a daily range to the downside. We have a range to the downside, but the CRT is going to be a neo reversal profile 2, 5 AM accumulation, 9 AM manipulation, 1 PM expansion. So yeah, bro, I need $10 to pass the phase 1. Whoa, yes, sirski. Let's see if we can get a setup here. This EURUSD does not look good. Let's look at the gold here. I mean, brother, you should have won. You should have still been in this trade right over here. 10 RR trade right over here, man. How come you not pass it, huh? Did you get out the trade too early? Did you get out the trade too early, man, without holding? Why did you not hold? Why did you not hold? The yesterday trade, the trade we took, right? That 14 RR. The 14 RR, right? Our 14 RR trade, I passed a phase 1, but my dumbass, I should have gotten a 1 phase ovulation because the 2 phase ovulation, when I get my setup, they go for high RR, right? So you only made me pass a phase 1. Took profit of daily high. Yeah, man, bro, didn't I tell you guys that my new way of doing my take profit had changed? Because you guys see when I talked about the weekly time frame, I mean, when I did my Thursday fucking what is it called? What is it called? Back testing. When I said I'm gonna change my take profit, I'm trying to go for more high take profit. This is what I mean, man. Why did we do this? Because it makes sense, right? Monthly wants to go from a CRT low to CRT high, so it makes sense. Weekly, we're going from a weekly. Where the fuck are we going from a weekly time frame? I don't even know myself. Let me see. Weekly, we're going from a weekly. There's no ERL to IRL here. So weekly, we're going based solely out of the monthly CRT here, right? You can see how on the weekly, we're ditching this CRT to the downside. Why are we ditching the CRT to the downside? Because monthly is in play, right? The monthly time frame is telling us bullish. But, you know what I'm saying? So we're going based out of the monthly here, right? So for 2 months straight, you're going to have a clear ass bias here to the upside, right? You can see it now. On a daily, we go from a daily. So on a weekly, it doesn't make more sense here, right? But you guys know we have a daily, we have a short-term liquidity and long-term liquidity, right? The short-term on a weekly might be lower, but we're going to base it on a monthly, right? On the daily, it gives us more context here, right? Daily, we go from daily IRL to ERL, daily CRT to the upside, a daily classic expansion profile 2 to the upside, right? Monday low of the week, and Friday continuation. In this case, Friday would not be a reversal here. Why would Friday not be a reversal or retracement? Friday would be a continuation to the upside. Why? Because the weekly objective was all over here. This whole week looks like to be here, right? So on the weekly, you would risk this lower time frame CRT, this lower time frame right over here, to the higher time frame all over here. So yeah, that's how you would do this. And as well as the 4-hour time frame, could have set a 4-hour CRT to the upside, a 4-hour IRL to ERL, right? You have context to this to the upside, so you would have definitely holded this. This would have been a 10-hour trade, right? I know you took this yesterday, but yeah, man. And this trade as well, this trade we took, we put our stop loss a little too tight, right? We should have put our stop loss like right up here above. We should have not put our stop loss beyond our break-even point, because the OTE, as you guys know, there is OTE. That's why you guys don't want to be putting your stop loss beyond your entry point. The reason you don't want to do that, because OTE will happen. In this case, a OTE happened deep discounted, yeah? So yeah. Yes, bro. If I have hold it, I would have passed. Hey, don't never say would have or could have or should have. It is what it is, man. On to the next trade, brother. I told you, man. You know what I'm saying? Analysis has been crazy. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm gonna get past. I'm gonna pass another 50K account, and I had an account that was in drawdown in 9.50% in drawdown. So I needed no, it was 9.75% drawdown. So I needed one loss, then the account would get blowed out. And I didn't even know I had that account. I just went out that same trade I took on the that same trade over here. I took it across a challenge account, a funded account, and as well as a fucking the one of the drawdown. I got that shit out of drawdown. One step or two step? Two step, man. When I do one step, I usually full port. That's what I do, bro. I when one steps, I full port. And the other one, I'm waiting for a payout. And Tuesday they're gonna pay me out because they changed their payout, so they don't go by random days. Now they go by a Tuesday. So Tuesday is the payday. So I just gotta wait till Tuesday to get paid on that. But I'm not mad about losing his money. I'm mad about me not following my rules, right? I had a feeling like should not be doing this. I did it. I found out, right? I eventually had to put as a rule. I should never be doing this, right? Because instead of me making $150 on this trade, I mean, I already made 1,300. Instead of me making an extra 150, I could have made another extra 1,000, right? But this right over here to this CRT high on the weekly, I would have made another extra 1,000 because it would have been another 10 RR in that specific trade. Not 10 RR, like 6 or 7 RR more, right? No, actually it would have been like a 5 plus more RR, right? Because I'm risking 150 plus, I think, 6 or 7 more RR, right? Which, instead of just going based out of 1 RR, I should have gone for a, saying, hey, not shoulda, coulda, woulda, man. It is what it is. We just learned lesson. Now we gotta keep on going. But this is why you guys gotta prioritize CRT more than IRL, ERL. In the IRL, ERL, you'll probably think like a weekly IRL to ERL, right? Weekly, daily ERL to IRL, right? Which would have not made sense because the higher time from higher power, right? So weekly overall tells you buys in this day, right? The monthly, if the weekly is closing like this candle, it closes above this, weekly going from weekly ERL to the IRL get inverse. So we're going to the weekly IRL, the ERL that creates the IRL, as well as we're going from the no more weekly CRT, we go from the base of the monthly CRT, right? So our price had to change how to mark ERL or IRL. You basically gotta go, IRL is a fair value gap, a ERL is a swing high or swing low or high or low. That's what it is, brother. But ERL, IRL don't work straight, bro. They're not proficient. They're not efficient. That's what I mean. Because the rhythm can get broken, right? Because you guys know how the ERL, IRL to ERL, eventually the rhythm has to get broken, right? In this case, right over here, the rhythm over here, we're going from what did I just say? ERL to IRL, IRL to ERL, right? The rhythm has to get broken, right? So that what makes IRL to ERL worse than the CRT, because CRT is a MMXM concept, right? It's nothing that's CRT, the MMXM concept, right? But is way better than MMXM, right? Because it's the actual real MMXM, right? The actual original consolidation are in the CRT. They're not random, right? Because original consolidation, the MMXM trader, he picks the right one because he has way more experience than you. But as a beginner, as an advanced trader who doesn't really know about CRT, you will pick original consolidation that is not even a real one, right? So which would mess up with your whole psychology, with your trade, with your RR, which is very important, right? That's why we prioritize CRT more than anything else, because CRT is the real, CRT is basically the real fucking, what is this called? The real MMXM concept, right? No credits to MMXM. I'm using this ERL to IRL because the concept, right? I mean, I don't prioritize ERL to IRL. Yes, I give credit to MMXM for the ERL to IRL concept, but I don't give them full credit because this concept can get broken out of, right? And CRT is very proficient. I could basically just basically just disregard this IRL to ERL and just go back to CRT. I would still make money, right? Because a daily CRT market did a what? CRT low, then eventually CRT has a 3 candle formation right over here, right? And guess what? Original consideration on this would be right over here. This would be the original consideration. Soup out the low, original consideration will be all over here. You go up all over here, right? You can see MMXM without making it complicated. People who trade MMXM here, they would think, oh, ERL to IRL, this right over here should be the original consideration. The original consideration should be all the way down here. Psych, it was right back up, right? So that's why it's very important for you guys to, you know what I'm saying? Glad. You see original consolidation right over there, man. Original consolidation. People think this will be the original consolidation? Hell no, chat. Think a little bit. Think. Because CRT is bias, CRT is drawn liquidity, CRT is MMXM, real MMXM. CRT is narrative, CRT is what's next, CRT is OTE. CRT has a order block inside of it. CRT has a unicorn model. I know people who trade unicorn model, and when they trade random unicorn models, right? And they get stop loss, right? And and you can see why everybody who takes unicorn models, they go for a 2RR only. Yeah, think about it. You see why they go only for a 2RR only. You know why? Because they pattern trade the shit out of it, right? They pattern trade it. A unicorn model should offer way more than 2RR, and then people go for 2RR and eventually get reversed. People don't even go for a 2RR, they go for a 1RR because he reverses against you easily, right? So that's why it makes sense for you guys to, I'm saying, think a little bit. Think, man. CRT has a order block inside of it. I mean, CISD inside of it. A CRT has a breaker, basically. Most of the time he has a breaker. So every time he has a breaker block, right? As well as he has a unicorn model, right? If there's a fair value gap there, CRT has fair value gap inside of it. CRT has a OTE inside of it, right? Very important concepts of ICT, especially the unicorn model and the CISD model, right? I don't trade the CISD model, but you know, some people do. I mean, not CISD, the unicorn model, but some people do, right? Because see right over here, this would be a you're like breaker, right? Inside of CRT. Breaker block inside of CRT. This is the high last bullish candle or consecutive bullish candle that did a SMT, right? So why we're not picking this high right over here? Because this high right over here is not the biggest high. It's not the last leg up, right? The biggest leg up, which is right over here, right? And you can see if you would have taken this, you would have had a stop loss. And this one's the better one. And your entry would have been a breaker block entry, right? And this, you can see the drawdown is not that much. Look at the drawdown, right? The drawdown is not that much, right? Your stop loss would have been right below this this fucking unicorn model. Not unicorn model, I mean this breaker block. Eventually would have gone for the same take profit, right? Same RR, same everything. Take profit would have been right above this. In this case, you would have gone for way more less because it's way more wider, right? But you see how everything, my boy CRT has a lot of shit inside of it. But I always go based on the CISD because CISD is the first one. I mean, it's the second one that shows up instead of the. It will be first a turtle soup, then a modern number one, right? Which is our CISD, which is the only one I stick to. Did you close that trade, bro? The market's, hey, bro. The market takes my stop loss, man. I put my stop loss a little too high, but I made a mistake, right? My mistake was I put my stop loss beyond my entry point, right? My entry point was like right over here, right? I put my stop loss on the fair value gap. Look at that shit. It ticked it. It ticked it and went right back up, right? This would be considered as an OTE. The market did a OTE to the 70% mark, right? You can see OTE to the 70% mark, right? 70% mark OTE. And yeah, I found out that, oh, I made a mistake. I should have not put my stop loss beyond my entry point. So my entry point is right over here. I should not put it all over here because it should be just right over here, just to cover spread and just to cover some commission. So that's why. And yeah, it's cool. It's a lesson. Now in the future, if I take any trade that's gonna take a while to take profit, I would not, saying make the same mistake again in the future, right? Which is nice. Did you book profits? Yeah, man, I made like 11 RR in this trade. I could have definitely made more, but a fucking dumbass put my stop loss a little too wide. Hey, I'm not stressing about the money. I'm stressing about me making the mistake, which would not happen again. Bro, what, this ain't Trump? Hell yeah, bro. Fuck that old ass, man. How the fuck you took my shit, bro? You ticked it, bro. You ticked it. Why did you do that to me, man? Like, I had a feeling. I was like, bro, because like I used to trade the inversion model, right? And I used to put my stop loss below the inversion low, and I used to always get stopped out. I was like, bro, this give me a flashback. It gave me a flashback, bro. Because even I think the inversion model happens in CRT as well, right? Inversion model happens in CRT. Let's see if there's an inversion model here. Because when I like to trade my inversion model, when I to trade it, I wouldn't trade it without I would trade it without the CRT, and I would get stopped out, and it would give me flashbacks, bro. I would get goosebumps. Oh my god, I did the same thing here. I was like, bro, I know they're gonna go on a loss. Like, it has like a high percentage chance of going on a loss because of this stop loss, right? Because you guys know, man, this you put your stop loss right below the second candle low. Where was it? What? I would put your stop loss right below the the second candle low or high. Is a high chance of marking my stop. Yeah, so you want to put your stop loss all the below it, right? So yeah, it was that OTE and the stop loss. It was ass. But yeah, chat. That shit gave me flashbacks. That's what I know, man. See if there's an OTE on this candle. I mean, there's an inversion. Yeah, there was an inversion on this candle, but you would have entered the chart all the way there. Hell no. I mean, for this inversion, I mean, you would have entered this inversion right over here. Actually, no, you would have been out of this candle, right? Yeah, you would have been out of this. So your inversion would have been, yeah, you would have still been that candle. There still would have been this big ass candle for your inversion. And after that, right when it closes above this candle, your entry is going to be all the way here. You put your stop loss right below the inversion low. Target for a shitty ass RR. I mean, I don't know how the fuck you're going to make money out of this. We're gonna go for a 2 RR, bro. Because when I trade CRT, right, I always see a unicorn model. I always see not most of the time, right, but usually when the setup is very nice, I would see a unicorn model. I would see an inversion. I would see a fair value gap. I would see a OTE, right? But usually I don't take none of them. I only take CISD. That CISD is perfect. Because the unicorn model stop loss is ass. The breakup block stop loss is ass. The CRT, I mean, no, the IVG stop loss is dog shit. What else there is? The OT stop loss is ass because market can still go down or up, right? Because our CISD stop loss is right on the total soup, right? So it can be right on the total soup. And the total soup stop loss is on the standard deviation stop loss or a different type of stop loss, right? But our stop loss on the CISD is going to be the high or the low of the CRT, high or low, right? So that's why I like CISD. That's why I like CISD more than any other concept. I've tried out most of the concepts, man. Just their ass compared to CISD. Oh, holy shit. Okay, let's see. Right when it goes below this low, I can't take it, man, because it's gonna be a near continuation. But I have no buys to the upside today, man. Today I just want to let the candle close because daily is going to the downside. Weekly we have nothing. Weekly objective already got met. The weekly IRL already got met. We could go better than monthly, but monthly, what are the daily context for the monthly? I ain't taking that shit. I ain't taking it. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. What am I doing, bro? Let's see what's cooking here, though, chatter. Captain America, Captain Pakistan, Captain India. Amazon removes protection for black plus employees from its company policies. Wait, Amazon removes protections for black. Holy shit. Will not be hiring anyone who has bought, sold, or created any. Trump's speech today? Fuck Trump. Fuck that motherfucker, man. Fuck his ass. He's a bitch. He's an old ass. He's gonna die soon. Fuck that guy. You know what? Actually, I don't want to say that to him because he might be watching my stream and he might fucking cancel my shit. He may not give me my pardon. If I go to the jail, I need a pardon. He might not give me that. So let me calm down, okay? Let me stop talking shit to the Jew. Hey, you guys chat. You guys know that Trump is a Jew? He became a Jew in 2016. It's crazy. Fucking Jew. I hate Jews. Hey, I gotta calm down, bro. Chat. I'm gonna get killed, bro. Come on, man. Calm down, bro. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Oh, no, 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 no. I hate the Jews. Jews, you're a fucking ass nigga. Chat, let's stop being racist here, man. I hate the Jews. I hate the Jews. I hate the Jews, Jews. If you're a Jew, fuck you. From Africa, America, from Pakistan, from India, from anywhere in the world. Fuck you, Jew. Yeah. I support Hitler all the way. I just playing chat. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, chat. Just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay, let me stop for real, for real, for real. Even if I say, even if I say the most racist stuff, nobody would care. You know why? Because I'm a nobody. Hey, I am a somebody. You know what I'm saying? I am a somebody. Some people, I'm gonna be the biggest in the world. Elon Musk, Elon Musk. What are you talking about, man? Oh, Elon Musk. And yo, English is ass, bro. Did that salute in his speech, yeah, for real, bro. He's a Hitler. He supports Hitler. What did Hitler do? Was Hitler a Jew, bro? Let's see if Hitler a Jew. I know he was a damn ass. I know his ass was a Jew, bro. Adolf Hitler was a Jew. One of the most frequently asked questions about the Holocaust Nazi Party is whether had Jewish ancestors. This question received on media attention in May 2022. Russia Foreign Minister Hitler had Jewish blood. Do they hear, bro? I just want to fucking know, dog. I'm firing this whole article, nigga. Hitler's family tree. Click to enlarge Adolf Hitler right over there. Fuck, bro. I need to. Okay, despite the claims that Hitler's a, yes, Hitler was a Christian. I knew him. I knew him, and I love that guy. Because you know why Hitler was Christian? Because in Islam and in Christianity, you should not be doing interest, right? You should not be having bank loans. You should not be persecuting little babies. You should not be fucking little babies, which fucking Jews do. Jewism, what the fuck that shit is called? That's normal, right? Basically, all that means is when you persecute a little baby, all that means is that you're just poking when they're in their tradition. That means you're just poking a little baby, and you should not be burning a little baby, because in Jewish, in the traditions, they would burn a baby, they would sacrifice a baby. And Christianity and Islam, you should not be, you know what I'm saying, uh lending or borrowing anything, right? Which that's what they do, bro. That's what the Jews do. So Jews, that's why Jews are so rich, because in Islamic Christianity, you can't sacrifice babies. You can't sacrifice. You know what I'm saying? You can't poke a little girl, bro, or a little boy. You kind of gay for that. That's, you can't be a pedophile, right? So what the Jews do? How did they become so rich? By doing that. And Islam or Christianity, there should be no porn. What is it called? Pornography. It should not be no pornography. What is it called? Pornography, right? It should not be no pornography. So what do Jews do? They own Pornhub, or pornography, right? What was it called, right? Pornography, they own it, right? So a Jewish person owns it, so that's why they're so rich, right? And Islamic Christianity should not be borrowing, lending, interest. So that's why how the Jews exploit that by doing that, right? So basically, that's how Jews are so rich, by interest, by all of these shit that you should not be doing, right? So they basically exploit the rules and break the rules to become wealthy. That's why you can see how the Rothschild, they're so fucking rich, because they break the rules. They cause wars because they literally fund the wars, not cause the wars. They own Israel. The family of Rothschild owns Israel, bro. They literally the one who owns it. It's not. It's like they're the one who created Israel, right? So Israel was not here for thousands of years. They took over Palestine, man. Free Palestine, man. Free Palestine all the way, man. Free Palestine. Big guns, yeah. Big guns, yeah. Let me see. Oh my, not big guns, not big guns, not big guns, not big guns. Not a big guns. It's not a big guns. It's not a big guns. Joined your channel yesterday to learn CRT question, but let out your hate on Jews first. Hey, I'm just playing, bro. I don't hate nobody. I love the Jews actually. These Jews are not the problem. The people are the problem. Jews, because Jews, they're like they're what is it called? They're like the book. They're the people of the book, right? So I don't hate Jews. I hate the Zionists. I always mix up the Jews with the Zionists. Zionists are the bad people, man, because they be doing the crazy shit, bro. Oh my god, they fuck a little baby. That's gay, bro. Oh, that's weird. That's a pedophile shit. But let me know what's your question about CRT, bro, brother. What's your question about CRT, man? Let me know. Let me know. I don't hate Jews, man. I just hate the Zionist motherfuckers, man. I hate them bitches. So I always mix her up. I always mix up a Jew with the Zionist. You know what I'm saying? Crazy ass, man. They're crazy, bro. They're crazy. They're crazy. Chat. I got big guns. I'm just playing. What the fuck am I doing, chat? So boring when the market's not doing nothing, man. Let's see if we're gonna get let's see if we're gonna get retracement all over here just to go back down. It's not gonna happen, man. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. My boy Chris, man, you doing yourself a favor, man. Pay attention to the, you know what I'm saying, to the YouTube free Mastermind CRT bootcamp. Just focus, pay attention, because one of our students already successful. Like my boy Trader, right? Boy Trader, I introduced him to, you know what I'm saying, to CRT. Now he's making good profits, right? My boy MD Tamim, and you as well, and multiple other people who I do know. And I teach him some. I even teach some in private, which some of them, they're not in my Discord. I teach some in private, but those people are, I'm saying, I won't be talking about them, man. And boy. And I say, my boy MD Tamim is eating with his profits. Profits everywhere. Fuck, man. Chat, you guys think that XRP will already take ETH? Ooh, so much is fucking ripped. 700%. Oh, it's 8.5 million market cap. What the fuck? Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. On 4 CRT pairs, do you wait on the 4 account to close? Or wait. So on the 4 CRT pairs, do you wait on 4-hour candle to close? Or once goes to 15-minute time frame to wait for a CSD and breakers to confirm a reversal? Okay, so the question you have is, you do not wait for the 4-hour candle to close. I mean, if you're a beginner, if you're like a real beginner, I mean, I suggest you wait for it. But most of the time, in the intraday trading, when that happens, market will just rip. You won't fucking around. If you're gonna enter the 3 candle right over here, just you if you want to let the manipulation candle end, market will just rip up right without waiting. Here you can see market did not even wait, just hit our take profit, which is right over here, right, and over here, and as well over here, right. So for the CISD, you do not. I mean, for the confirmation, you do not wait for us. You do not wait for a breakout structure. Breakout structure falls, by the way. If you wait for a breakout structure and you don't look for the actual way of doing a breakout structure, you would fucking lose a lot of money. Just focus on CISD, not breakout structure when you enter the trade. But when you're looking at the order flow, at I think chapter 9, it talks about the advanced order flow. So chapter 9, focus on that. And chapter 9 should be talking about the advanced order flow. And that's how you can know your order flow, right? Which is basically a smart money order flow, which is basically the institutional order flow, right? And just to let you know, institutions, banks don't move the market. It's just based on smart money. And smart money, I don't know who's smart money, but whoever they are, these have patterns that will actually work, right? And yeah, that's what you wait for, man. And for the CRT purge on the 4-hour time frame, it must be in a Pacific time. So the purge must be purged at 1 to 2 a.m. or 3 to 4 a.m. or 5 to, or 6 to 7 a.m. or 8 to 9 a.m. or 9 to 10:30 a.m. It cannot be purged in a random time. If you get a purge at a random time, then disregard that setup. Disregard it. Don't take the setup because that setup is not during a Pacific time, right? This setup happened at what? At 9 p.m. It just ripped up, right? Me personally, I would have not taken it, right? This is a rare chance of this doing this. Usually at the 1 a.m. candle we'll do this, right? But market has to meet its strong liquidity because market needs to go to the objective because it was near the objective, right? Which is right over here, and it's above, right above it. There was a CRT right above it, right over here on this 5 a.m. candle high. Market needs to meet its objective, so that's why market needs to just rip up, right, without waiting. But yeah, I even on my boy Chris, I even gave a trade breakdown, a recent trade breakdown, which was a 14-hour trade breakdown on the ETU free Mastermind Healthy Bootcamp. So if you're confused, just go to my trade breakdown. I'll talk about how I take all the concepts I teach and use it in the I'm saying, in the trades, right? And by the way, I do talk about most of the concept I use, but sometimes I may forget the concept I'm talking about, right? I may forget I'm talking about time, right? But every concept I'm teaching, I'm using every concept, right? But sometimes I may just forget to talk about it, but I did use it, right? So yeah, in that case, in my bootcamp, in my trade breakdown of 14 RR, I did not talk about the time, but there was a Pacific time. It was at 6 a.m. when I had my setup, right? So Pacific time, right? And as well as this setup had a lot of intriguers. You can see the setup took 3 days. It took 3 days to hit take profit, right? First day hit TP1, second day hit TP2, third day it didn't do nothing. Fourth day, the second day hit TP, but it reversed all of down. The third day is when the market went right back up. Actually, the fourth day it hit. I think what Monday? Wait, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On the fourth day, the market had to take profit, right? So it took 4 days to hit TP. So, and I made a mistake on the setup. I cashed out. I put my stop loss beyond my entry point, which was not a good thing. But we learned, right? Lessons. But we should not be making the same mistake again. I will not be making the same mistake again, right? Why am I saying I will not be? Just to say that, I would not fuck around. You know what I'm saying? I want a trade breakdown to understand better on trade execution. Yes, sir. I even made a video on CISD. So if you're confused about CISD, go watch it, man. CISD, understanding reversals, and as well made a video on picking the right CISD. If you're looking for the highest probability of a CISD, if you made a picking the right CRT high, CRT low, picking the right, everything correctly. And as well as I made a video on daily profile, weekly profile. If you're confused about that as well, I made a lot of videos about everything, right? So yeah, if you need any help, if you need a video for me to make you, what the fuck am I saying? Okay, if you want me to make a video, wait, what the fuck? Wait, let me see what I'm saying. If you want me to make a video on something you're confused about, like a dealing range or anything you're confused about, let me know. Give me a video suggestion. I will post it for you, man. I'll fix up your problem. And I'm saying I care about you guys. I don't want you guys to, you know what I'm saying, just strategy hop. Because if you learn this and you go to a different strategy, you're gonna go strategy hop, Mr. Harvey. You're never gonna become a successful trader, right? So focus on that as well, my brother, or my sister, or my not my gay people. Fuck gay people, man. I gotta stop being hateful. But fucking I hate people, gay people. If you're gay, fuck your life. Okay, fuck your life. Suicide. Jump out of the bridge. Gold buys. Let me see that. Actually, I don't trade gold, man. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna look at gold, man. I don't trade gold. I'm saying I gotta have some self resilience. Okay. Today, we're looking at EURUSD only. Because if I look at that, I might do my analysis wrong. But my boy trader, I suggest you not even take a trade no more on on gold right now, as of right now, because your good opportunity has already ran out. If you go to go, oh, you trying to give me today? Ah, you almost got me. Okay, hey, says I love you. I'll go to it, right? It says I love you. Okay, I love you. Okay, we'll go to gold. Okay, it says I love you. What am I looking at here, mate? Mate. So, gold buys, yes, but will you get a setup? Fuck no. Oh, I see a new graduation. I see a new blossom. I see a new. So daily time frame go from a daily IRL to ERL. This ERL gives fucking. True, we're gonna go to the monthly time frame. Let's have okay. I'm based on a monthly. Daily market open right over here. Where the fuck there's so much candle? 17 o'clock, 9 a.m., 1 a.m., 5 p.m. Okay. Okay. Yes, you could definitely get a thing going here. There's not enough narrative, bro. You could answer would have been only this. I suggest you don't take this trade. You can if you want to risk, but I suggest you de-risk on this trade if you are gonna take it. Yeah, fuck no, I'm not taking this trade. This big ass candle, bro. Hell no, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, man. That shit too big. That candle's too big, man. Fuck that shit. I'm digging it. I'm not digging it. But my boy trader, focus on the best setups, right? This would have been the best setup you would have had to go to all over here. This is a very risky one. You have no daily context, you have no weekly context, you only have a monthly, and you have no 4-hour key level, you have no the hourly key level is shit. There's no hourly key level on this. Hourly key level would be this hourly auto block all down here, right? Actually, yeah, it will be all down here. Bro, this all $10 give me, bro. Hey, calm down. Hey, let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see if we can get a Bitcoin trade. So Bitcoin, let's see what's good in Bitcoin. Oh, we just had a setup at Bitcoin. No. Sir, please. We. Okay, you stop fucking being a corny guy. Let me say what's good here. Look at first price at the high first though. What the fuck, man? Yeah, we gotta go to ETH, man. ETH is better. EURUSD spot crypto. Hey, chat, we're still in this setup, chat. I'm still holding this setup. I'm holding it for a long ass term. This shit has been fucking with me. Let's see where we got in a weekly, daily, over daily. Ain't nothing there. What the fuck I got that shit for? Yeah, man, I ain't got no setup, bro. Hey. I mean, we do have this daily. We do have this CRT to the downside, but you know, at your own risk. I don't wanna make you fucking lose that money, bro. Okay. So you're on rigs. We have this bigger CRT right over here. But we have no context, bro. This is gonna be a gamble right over here. Nope, I'm not taking no trade. I'm not digging it. I'm not digging it. I'm not digging it. I'm not digging it. The fuck? Fuck, man. Just chill, bro. Just wait for a good setup to happen and just take it, man. If you rush it right now, you try to get your PTSD shit, you gonna fuck up, man. You gonna lose it. You gonna lose, like, you gonna go bankrupt. What I suggest you do, bro, just fucking get a setup, right? Get a $10 setup. I mean, not get a setup, not $10 setup. I mean, get a setup, right? Risk only. What's your account evaluation? Like how much you're funded with? How much funding, chat? How much funding you have right now currently in that setup in the phase 1 or something? How much you funded with the phase 1? Bro, how do I get set? Oh my god, bro, how to get set up? $10 setup. Let me see. Let's think here a little bit. Let's think. I mean, NQ could give you a good ass setup, NQ, but bro, you know what I'm saying? We don't want to be gambling here, man. Let's see NQ. We don't want to be gambling. We don't want to be gambling. Scalp maybe for $10, bro. Don't scalp, bro. Fuck scalping, dog. I had bad. Hey, that $10 gonna be, hey, instead of you trying to take it at $10, you're gonna be needing a whole fucking percentage gains, bro. I mean, what could be a $10 gain you can have right over here? Let's see. Based on this. Bro, I'm not talking about, I'm not gonna tell you how to trade, bro. You're a trader yourself. You know how to trade, man. You know how to trade. I taught you how to trade, man. You're good. You're chilling. It's now your choice to buy or sell, man. About Muhammad, should I make a call? What's my narrative for the day? My narrative is bearish. Let me tell you why. Weekly CRT high got met, so now we're looking for a shit, because when a weekly CRT gets met, usually market will do a 4-hour retracement to the downside, right? And we come from weekly ERL to IRL. This all get disrespected, so we're going to the high that Chris's IRL all over here, right? But that's not until next week. On a daily, go from daily ERL to IRL. And on a daily time frame, what else do we have here? On a daily, we have a classic basic profile 2. Monday retracement as reversal. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a range, so I cannot trade until the range higher, range low gets purged. So I have to wait till the range higher, range low gets purged. And as well, that's what else we have here. Looking for a near reversal, looking for a 5 AM accumulation, 9 AM manipulation, and 1 PM expansion. Where we souped at a low and a high. We have a daily range that is premium, there's a discount, so we're selling in a premium, which is very fantastic. The order flow is bullish. The market profile is currently in the retracement profile, so market might retrace and go right back down. And we have a news at 9:45. And what else do we have here? Let's see. Nothing else. Our key level for that 4-hour CRT is this high, range high, right? So that's that. That's all I got, bro. Not too much here. Not too much. Not too much. Account size is 2.5K and target 2.7K. Already completed. I had $190. Just need 10. Woo! Bro, no. Hey, don't take stupid trades. Don't take stupid trades. I thought your account balance was like, I thought the violation account was like 10K or 50K. Don't take any trades. Just wait for a good setup, because that $10 is gonna affect you a lot. Don't look for dumbass setups. Don't look for dumbass setups, shit. Just be patient. Just be patient, man. I've taught you the skill. Now all you gotta do is just be patient. If you can't be patient, you're gonna fuck up. Because once you pass the evaluation, the next day you're gonna be able to go to the phase 2, and eventually the first trade you take Let's say if you wait for a good ass setup, you take the trade, it goes up 10%. It goes up by like $10. You cash out. You wait for the market to, you wait for that people to like get you to the second evaluation. Eventually, you take the same trade again. You go back to the higher price point, right? And yeah, or lower, whatever the setup is, right? Don't take a dumbass setup, man. If you take a dumbass setup, bro, that's gonna build bad habits. When you come in a market, don't expect to pass your phase one. Don't expect to pass your challenges. Don't expect to get a payout. Expect to build good habits. Expect to follow your rules. Don't worry about money, man. Don't give a fuck about the money. Fuck money. Fuck money. Fuck money. Chat. I used to be 5 AM can is inside ball. That's why 5 AM candle high is not our key level. Am I right? 5 AM candle is inside bar. That's why 5 AM candle is not our CRT is not a key level, by the way. CRT is just a range. And a key level would be your range high. This right over here would be range high, right? This would be a key level. So I mean you are right partially, right? But I thought you mean like you're as your range, right? But we're still gonna be worried. We're still gonna be caring about the CRT low of the 5 AM. Why? Because this could be considered as a near continuation, right? And other thing that this could be just a fair value gap, so it could be a ERL to IRL, right? IRL to ERL, right? So we want to be careful. That's why we want to do that, right? So the CRT low is important, but the CRT high is not. Having this skill, I'll try 15K account next month or the other month. I have never passed a platform account. Hey, the best way, I have passed multiple accounts. I've gotten multiple payouts. The best way you could pass an account is by not valuing it. Don't put value. Every time you put value to anything, I put value to my girl, I fucking lost the girl. I lost it. I skewed up every action I took it with her. I skewed it up. I fucked it up. So they probably think, well, that's a relationship. That's not trading. Same shit as trading. When you value prop firm, you make it think like, oh, it's such a big thing. It's such a big ass thing, right? I will never be able to pass it, right? It's such a high value. You put so much value in it that it's going to be so difficult for you to pass it, right? So that's why you want to act like you don't value it. First of all, you don't value it. Second of all, you're going to be like, okay, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be confident. I'm going to feel to be emotional, not greedy. I'm going to be cold, calm, and calculated. I'm going to be disciplined. I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to act special every day. I'm going to practice matching the scalable profits. I'm going to focus on bigger habits. I'm going to expect to lose the funded. I'm going to expect to lose prop firms because losses don't define me. Wins define me, right? Because so that's the only thing good thing. Other than that is what else can I say? There's multiple things like I say. I'm going to be present. I'm going to focus on the process and the outcome. I'm going to breathe, observe, act with clarity. I will not care about passing this funded account. I will not care about the profit from accounts. I'll be happy with winning that account, with passing account, and I'll be happy without winning that or losing or winning that account, right? I'll be happy with losing it because when you put value into it, you easily fuck it up. Because that's why you guys always fuck up your thing. Because you put value into it. You think it's such a big thing. So you just, what if I fuck it up? What if I fuck it up? Boom, you fuck it up. You know what I'm saying? So don't value it. Gold wants to give me a buy entry. Let me see gold, man, because this shit is not giving a setup. Trader. What is this? Joe Traders. What the fuck is Joe Traders, man? That's just Joe ass up, man. You fucking bastard. y'all like my Indian accent? Thank you. I like my Indian accent too, man. I like it. No problem. Let's see. So this is your CRT low, CRT high. What's your key level on this? Your key level would be soup out of low. Including with this right over here, this auto block. The key level. And yeah, we got a 4-hour key level as well. My boy Chris, so you said good advice there on not to value things know it yet, because when you value, you fuck it up. So, and as well as join my Discord. If you're in my Discord, I will give you my notes that I read every single day. I'll give you my psychology notes, because the psychology notes are about to they're like about building good habits, right? Because when you will see it, trust me, you will see a huge difference when you read the note and when you're not don't when you will see a huge difference when you read the note versus when you don't read the note. You will see a huge difference, because that when you read the note, you're like, okay, today I read this, so let me be this, right? Today, because that thing you read is gonna be on your mind, right? It can be activated for the next couple hours. The next couple hours, you could be able to remind yourself of that, right? Eventually, be like, okay, Barnault just said, I have to be patient, confident, furious, emotional, not greedy. I have to be cold, calm, and calculated. I have to be cold and calm when I'm winning streak or losing streak. I I have to accept the risk of losing. I have to accept the risk of, you know what I'm saying, of the I have to accept the risks on the table. I have to accept the risks I'm putting on the trade. I have to be willing to accept it, right? For me to take the trade, because if you don't accept the risk and you lose, you're gonna have your emotional problem, right? Same thing to valuing it. You're gonna have emotional problem. You fuck it up, you're gonna have emotional problem, right? So that is all, man. Join me up. I'll have a lot of notes. You could teach it. It's not that long, bro. It's gonna take you like 2 minutes to read it. But this may go down to all to the 4 hour low, man. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Oh shit, we're gonna have a CISD. You're gonna have a monkey, 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 push it, push it. That's gotta be racist. Gotta be racist. What did I just say? Why did I just say monkey? Why did I just say monkey, man? Yeah, I won't take the trade because I don't trade gold. That's why, man. But if it goes above the body, bro, I'm not gonna. You should not be taking it, because it's gonna be way more riskier. We have a lot of minutes. News in the next couple minutes. Let's see how the news goes on this both pairs. Yeah, it doesn't mark as I want to go. Actually, let me go back to my own pair, because I'm not trying to fuck up my shit. I'm not trying to fuck up my shit. Hey, I'm not trying to fuck up my shit. Hey. Okay, so we might have a setup here as well. So let's see. Let's see. Oh boy, Entertainment, you said I have a today is a mixed bias. Yeah, man, I forgot to read that chat. I forgot to read your chat, but I definitely had that in my mind. I just have to, to remind myself of that. Yeah, man. Today is a mixed bias, because today was a day where market hit a draw on liquidity, right? So today should not be a trading day at all, because market will not give a setup. Just cool off. You know what I'm saying, chat? Inanna Zang. Mm, 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 mm. Man, bro. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. What am I doing, you bastard? You bastard! You bastard! Lara puti! Lara maki chot! Pan putia! I'm just playing, chat. I'm just playing, okay? I do know some cuss words. Calm down. Calm down. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Calm down. Calm down. Don't get mad. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. Yeah. I'm a rapper. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a rapper. I'm a rapper. Yeah. I'ma shake my booty. What the fuck? That's kind of gay, chat. Oh my god, that might be the gayest thing I've said today. Yeah, yeah, four. La pinka. I'm too lazy for this shit, man. Welcome to the group, my boy. Welcome to the family, my boy. Chap Chap GW, Jabu. That's how you say your name. Hey, what's good? Welcome to the family. Welcome to the best environment you could ever be, where people grow together. I don't got too much to say, but yeah, we got a lot of things going on there. We have like fucking Gold Signal, Professor Shane. If you want to take it, we got a lot of shit going on. If you want to take it, join Discord. Hey, it's you, yes sir, ski. Yo, man, my boy Chris G. Once you finish the ETU free Mastermind CFT bootcamp, we will host a group session on Q&As, right? If you have a question and you have a problem, you know, saying you could ask me your questions, your problems, we could fix it up for you. If you have a problem with this, you know, with something you can't learn, I mean, you know, misunderstand the concepts on the ETU free Mastermind CRT bootcamp, we got to fix stuff. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna, you know, mechanic it. We're gonna be. Yeah, that's what we'll be doing. Hey, actually, the wrong way. Hey, actually, let me not do that, okay? What I mean by this is like we're gonna be mechanicing it. So like basically, you know what I'm saying, fixing up. So if let's just say let's just say there's a gear that's messed up right over here. I'm gonna be, you know, pulling out, right? You have to fix your gear eventually. Oh, that's out. Okay. Oh, that's out. Okay. You're gonna be mechanical. I'm saying mechanical to get everything fixed up. I'm saying. Let me stop being cringy, man. I'm so cringe, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Even myself could. Even I know I'm cringy. That's right over there. That right over there is disrespect to my own self, man. How do myself know I'm cringy? Cause I have nothing to say. Chat. Won't really, if I don't say anything, right, I'm just gonna be calm down. I'm just gonna be cold and calm. I'm just gonna be like this. You guys don't want that the whole time, so I run out of the words, so I gotta say some random shit. Okay. Some random words may get offended. Somebody may get offended, but man, I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Cause I'm very cold, man. I'm very cold and calm, man. You know what I'm saying, that guy. I'm Michael Corleone. I'm better than him. Fuck that guy. I'm better than him. Better than that guy. It's nothing. Hey, check. Always remember. Always remember. It's nothing personal. It's strictly business. Okay, and note that down too. Have you seen Ashtray Channel Trade Unicorn? Man, who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is out of chat? I don't watch nobody else, my boy, instead of my boy Romeo. Man, if it's not Romeo, I don't watch your shit, man. Chat. Even myself, I don't watch Romeo. I just go to his Twitter. Oh, I look up some. I look up on his tweets sometimes. I'm like, okay, that's nice. That's cool. But I got what I needed, right? I don't need to watch some other fucking people's lifestyle. But the unicorn model, when I learned my unicorn model, I fucking got I got it out of my own self, right? Not my own self. Eventually I had to touch it up, like, oh, what is this pattern? I touch it up. What is, you know, what does a soup with a breaker block, what if a rag gap do, right? And eventually the AI told me that, oh, it's a fucking unicorn model. It's all being published in public. Okay. Yeah, I just got that from ICT himself. And I don't even know who's Ash. I don't know who is he. I don't give a fuck who is he. Fuck that guy. These are fucking bastards. You know what I'm saying? Most of them are pattern trading bastards. The only guy I know is ICT and my boy CRT Romeo. But I paid a lot of, a lot of money to people, what I'm saying, for courses. I fucking lost 30,000, okay? Got caught on with TGR, got caught on the other guy, did not work out, man. I was like, bro, you just fucking penetrating. I was like, I've been doing the same shit you told me. I fucking penetrate. That's what I. Hey, all they had to do is tell me you penetrate. I was like, okay, you just tell me my problem. Thank you. They will make up so many things. They wouldn't even tell you the problem. I was like, okay. I went to one-on-one session with this guy. He saw me for 3 hours. He yapped. I was like, bro, shut the fuck up and tell me what's my problem. Like, your problem, he couldn't answer it. Who fucking told me some random thing that I already knew about, or I already knew that those are definitely not a problem. My problem is me. I used to penetrate. Oh my god! Eventually, I have to learn from that, and eventually, what I'm saying, that's how I got here. Because my biggest problem was penetrating. I would long a random ass Ferrari gap, and I would lose. I was like, what I lose? I would have a unicorn model. I was like, on that Ferrari gap, I would have a unicorn model. So I was like, okay, how did I lose the trade? Because I fucking penetrated it, right? And when I do penetrate it, sometimes when it goes in the wind, it was gonna go down regardless. It was gonna go up regardless, right? But yeah, that's why. And though, bro, I hate those losses. I was like, bro, how the fuck am I getting? Yes, I'm making more money than I'm losing, right? Because even when I pattern traded, I made more money than I lost, right? I was like, I fucking know I could reduce these losses by a lot. I know I could reduce these losses by 70%. I could reduce losses, right? You know what I'm saying? So I eventually found out the reason I was losing, and I was still making profit. I was still profitable, was because I fucking pattern traded. Because even if you're a pattern trader, you go for a 2 RR, you're making profit, right? 2 or 3 RR. Actually, for a pattern trading, you should always go for a 3 RR above, right? You're gonna pattern trade. I suggest nobody ever take that route of pattern trading, but whoever is gonna take that route, shit, it's probably gonna take you like 5 years to become profitable. But whoever's gonna take that route, you're going to need to be very, very going for a high RR, because you're like, your win rate would be like 25% win rate, which is really low. But if you go for like a 1 to 3 RR or 1 to 4 RR, every trade on a pattern trading type would make profit, or you'd be profitable. That's what I did. Okay, that's what I did, and eventually learned that, what I'm saying, pattern trading is not the way for me. And that happened a long ass time ago too. Like I remember like it's yesterday, man. It taunts me every time. It taunts me every single time, but I come back alive. I come out alive because I am never. Hey, I'm the type of guy where I would feel the deepest emotion. I will feel the most emotion that will hit my heart like. I'll feel that type of emotion. I'll go deep down in my emotion. I will conquer it. I'll go deep down in the ocean of my ocean. I'll go deep down on my iceberg of my emotions. I'll go down to the beneath. I will conquer that shit, and I'll come back up alive. That's how I am, chat. You know what I'm saying? If I don't feel like fighting, I'm gonna fight anyways, because shit, I have to go conquer it, right? I go all the way down, I conquer it, okay, now I come back alive. That's all I care about. Because when you feel a deep emotion, let's just say sadness, let's just say you feel anxious, or no, anxious. What the fuck is anxious? I don't know what anxious is, but if you feel like, how can I say this? If you feel a emotion where you have butterflies, or you have something that, but yeah, especially butterflies, and a emotion that is like such a fearing emotion, right? When you feel that, go all the way deep down. Think about it. Why am I feeling this, right? Why am I doing this? Eventually conquer it, right? Because the way that the emotion overtakes you, or overruns you is by simply what? Damn, I forgot the word. Is by simply not taking the action, because your emotions lead to actions, actions lead to reactions, reaction leads to actions, right? Simple as that, right? Like, it's not that difficult for me to tell you that, yo, reactions are your emotions or how you deal with it, right? Actions is what you're gonna do next. So market will always go on a second order consequences, right? Yes, you have may never heard about the second order consequences. The orders goes in infinite, right? Because it's always going to be a action, reaction, action, reaction, action, reaction, infinitely. Infinitely will never stop until you die or something, right? And even when you go to heaven or hell, you're gonna have an action, reaction, action, reaction. So let's just say going to hell, you get a punishment. You have a action, eventually you react out of it, but oh, I don't want to be in here, right? You're gonna ask for forgiveness, you're gonna ask God to forgive you, right? You're gonna pray. Eventually, you can do another action to do good. Eventually, so it keeps on going until you make it to heaven, right? God is more forgiving, right? God is the most merciful, right? So I'm saying you guys may never heard of that second order consequences, but you just did right now, man. And I've paid a lot of money on fucking courses about these useless ass shit that I know myself, but I just need to be. I just needed a consequence. I just needed a external validation, right? Like, if I'm actually correct, and that was like, that's not a good thing, right? I'm not fixing it. And Chad, just so you guys know, we have an SMT right over here, the quality repair. We got an SMT. 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 Oh, that was a news scandal? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's see how Goldwyn. Let's see how Goldwyn. Hey, you took that long, didn't you? Hey, brother. Mining trader. Did you take that long? Did you take a long trade? My brother from another mother. Oh, he didn't even give you an entry yet. Oh. 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 I'll be careful right now. Let's see if the market will give you the entry before that candle closure. Now, bro, wait for a sweep. My man, my guy, my girl, my boy, my gay people. I fuck you, gay. If you're gay, fuck you, okay? But my boy Trader, it is a New York continuation. A New York continuation will not always give you that 4 hour sweep. A New York continuation will give you hourly to continue, because a New York continuation basically means like this, right? Where's it drawing it? New York continuation means like a sweep up. A New York continuation would be literally retrace back down, up, right? So let's just say this is a 4 hour 60 high, 460 low, right? Market will do a little hourly sweep retracement eventually go up from here, right? Market could sometimes go all the way down here, go up higher from here, right? But that retracement is too deep, right? And this huge retracement, the downside going to all the CT low in the 4 hour time frame will only occur like 20% of the time. So 80% of the time, like for the new continuation, will be the hourly candle is going to continue it, right? And I'm not taking this trade right over here. This trade is not taking it. She looks ass. She looks Ross. She looks Ross. She looks Ross. She looks Ross. I like my Jamaican. Me not take invitation. Yeah. I'm a big blood clad. I'm a fuck me pussy. Give me that one honey. Gotta be calm down. I gotta calm down how I speak, man. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. I'm unprofessional. Professional. Okay, I'm sorry. I ain't no way somebody taking it. I ain't no way taking this shit. You know we're gonna take this shit. Taking this short right over here. There's beep. I can't even take it. It's a fucking 1.92 RR. Can't take it. I can't take it anymore. I'm very masculine. I'm very masculine. Oh, that ass. Okay, okay, okay. Let me calm down. This could be a expansion, retracement, expansion. For SMT, I'm de-risking by 50% my position, initial position. You waiting for 15 CIZ and what? In gold or EU? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Will you state it better, please? And thank you. EU. Bet that, bet that, bet that. Chat, we're gonna revolutionize the whole market. Chat, you're gonna love this model I'm gonna teach you guys. This model will come out later. Okay, it will not come out soon. It will come out later. But I'll definitely give you guys the protocols for it. The protocol is this: narrative, logic, strong liquidity. Last thing you need is risking the lower time from CRT to the higher time from CRT, and all based on the time from alignment. If you have a daily CRT and you're gonna go down to the hourly, look for the hourly CRT. You're gonna risk the hourly CRT, go to the daily CRT, right? If you have a weekly, go to the 4-hour. You look at the 4-hour CRT. Use as a CRT, go to the 15-minute time frame and risk that 15-minute CIZ all the way to the weekly, right? And I'll give you an example right over here. So the people who are paying attention, yes, Monday, as you guys long time ago remember, right? You guys remember me talking about this, like, oh, this could have been a perfect trade to take to the upside, right? I was like, this would have been a perfect trade to the upside, right? This right over here would have lasted you a fuck ton of money, right? This is the most high consistent IRR, because this one's the highest probability concept out there as well, right? What is new start, sir? What do you mean by that, brother? News start, sir? What do you mean? And this goes from all over here on the weekly, not the daily, the weekly. So your objective is all the way on this high. You're going for a 26 RR in this, right? This may take like a 2-week goal, but hey, this is a really high probability. After this trade, throughout the whole week, I never had another setup. I never had a setup here, never set up at here, never had a setup here, never had a setup here. I had a setup here to the upside. Yes, but guess what? I'm only getting setups once a week. So if I'm getting once a week, I'm risking that lower setup. I'm taking that news, I'm taking that setup and risking it for the higher time frame, right? Making more profits, right? Because like the setup I take are the highest probably setups out there. News already passed. Yeah, brother. News didn't do shit here. I mean, it did do something. It'd be, did a little bit of bump here, but they do ain't really, he really ain't do shit. But yeah, this strategy is gonna be taught to some only. So you got to be lucky. So I will only teach one person this strategy and the ETU free mastermind CRT bootcamp on the group session. I mean, I could teach the whole group, but if you guys want, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm not a gatekeeper. Whoever's down, man, for this, I mean, for this, you're gonna need an insane amount of patience. You can't move your stop loss beyond your entry point because market could do OTEs in here, right? OT could happen. And yeah, the OT can be the higher time from OT, right? So that's gonna be OT back to the downside, go back to the upside, right? So yeah. You know what I'm saying? I may give it out, I may not. Because this concept, hey, out of myself. I knew with my thinking, with my powerful mind, I used it. I was like, okay, 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 okay. This which candles is the ICT high time frame candles by Fari. That is what it is, bro. This is good to know, like the high time frame candle. You know what I'm saying, which is fantastic. And chat, one other thing I want to tell you guys is, I don't want to tell you guys. I don't know, man. And the example of that setup of that, risking the lower time frame to the higher time frame would be this candle, this trade we took right over here, and would be this trade over here, all to the upside. And for this, you would not use the hourly in this case. You would use the 4 hour, right? And if you're using the 4 hour, going all to the weekly objective. You know what I'm saying? Oh, whoa, whoa, that's kind of weird. I just do that for cocaine. I need some cocaine. I need some coke. I need to do some coke. I need a coke. Oh, my take profit on this trade chat, it would not be all down here. It would just be below this. It would be just right on the range low. I would not go all down here because of the weekly gonna close above it, right? And this range low is right below the weekly. So I may not even go to the weekly. I may not even go to the range low because weekly candle has to close, right? Has to close above this candle high. We may not even get a setup here. So if we have SMT here and it actually gets invalidated, but it doesn't happen. But the soup when it gets soups is out, it doesn't happen at 10:30. I will not be looking for a setup. I will be done for the day because 10:30 is the back row where the market will stop purging liquidity. So if it does purge liquidity, but they're not that time, I'm done. These are some big ass candles, man. But still good to trade the trade. Although we're supposed to wait for our range high to get pushed, SMT prevents the ring from getting pushed, so we're still chilling. But we're gonna have to de-risk by 50% of our initial position. Still can't take this trade. Because my take profit, my initial take profit goal is now all the way down here. It's right over here. So this must offer a 2RR. Are you in the trade? Nope. I haven't even got any trade yet, man. What you talking about? No, 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 no. All right, folks. Just waiting. Gold 5 minute for Viga entry. Let me see. Man, stop fucking doing this, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. I told you, man. Should have entered that shit already, man. What the fuck are you doing? Oh shit. Let me go back. So neo continuation, man. I told you already, man. Pay attention, man. Done telling you very shit, man. Done, bruv. I'm gonna suicide. I'm gonna suicide. I'm gonna shoot myself. I'm gonna suicide. I'm gonna kill myself. Do not enter that 5 minute for Viga, man. I told, hey, you know this, bro. I told you only CISD. Yes, we have this inversion right over here. Yes, we have this inversion. You could enter the inversion. Never enter out of the unicorn model. Never enter out of the fucking Ferviga model. Never enter out of the IFG. Never enter out of the breakup block. Never enter out of anything else but CISD. The move is gone, bro. Don't take it. Even if he reaches back down here. Even if he goes all the way back down here. Go into the trade. Why? Because your entry should be all down here. As you guys know, because your stop loss on this can be random. Because market could fuck around right here. Right? Go down, go up higher, right? So, for the CISD, your entry is right below the low. So, yeah, man. Just be patient, man. Be patient. Hey. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. If you rush it, I'm going to shoot you. Rush, I'm gonna shoot you. Fucking rush, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm visualizing it right now. I'm shooting your fucking ass, man. Fucking bitch, you for you fucking rude, you fucking asshole. Man, closing the chart. See you next week. Yes, Sirski, man. Hey, I told you, man. New York continuation doesn't do that, man. What did I tell you, bro? A New York continuation does not need to retrace to the 4 hour. Okay? Keep that in mind. Note that down. Note that down. Note that down before you sleep. Make sure you get that in your head. New York situation. I don't always need to have this 4 hour CRT. Hourly is fine. But more sometimes market may reach a 4 hour CRT. Most of the time, the hourly. What am I doing, bro? What am I doing in my life, man? And I stop being such a racist person. Ah, man, this is no way. This is no way you can give it a setup here, chat. I'm thinking about shooting myself. That right there, chat. I told you guys, man, our precision of trading is skyrocketing. The way we trade gold is chat. Gold trading is so easy, man. I just give it a signal to the upside on gold. But I'm not gonna take it because I don't trade gold. Fuck gold. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Okay? Chat, because wondering why do I not trade gold? Because bro, the spreads are too huge, man. I'm getting backlashes. That ass. Okay, let me stop being corny. Let me stop being cringy, okay? Stop being cringy, yeah. Let me stop being cringy, yeah. Let me stop being cringy. Let me stop being cringy, yeah. I don't wanna hear myself. Yo, what the fuck is happening here, man? Push it. I'm thinking if this is pumping up, gold is definitely pumping up here. Forex.com. Oh shit. Wanda. Blood! TB. ABD. Crush that shit. Yeah. Crush that shit. Yeah, twin. If you would have gotten out of this trade right over here, I would not get out right here, bro. I will hold that shit. I will hold that shit till I'm dead, bro. I'm holding that shit till here the whole time high, yeah. All time high, yeah. 4RR trade, man. We don't like that. Who doesn't like 4RR trades, man? I do. I like 4RR trades. I like blood for RR. So I give you guys multiple signals here, man. I give you guys a signal here for a 10 RR, man. If somebody would have been smart enough to take it, would have taken it. You would have been up currently 9 RR. So you would have made 10 RR on this shit. Like, use your brain a little bit and pay attention. If you pay attention, you're gonna make bread, okay? Pay attention. Okay, chat? If you just use your fucking brain a little bit, if you just be like, okay, Taki just told me to, my boy CIC told me to, like, potentially a trade idea for me. Am I gonna take it? Yes or no? It's gonna take a second. It's risky, man. That's risky. And I know you bum ass traders trying to short this shit, man. I know you guys trying to short this, bro. I know most of you guys trying to short this, bro. Thinking a ERL to IRL, my ass. A ERL to IRL, my ass. You a pattern trader. Your career is finished, man. Your career is halas. Your career is finished, man. Your career is finished. You're finished. That's all I gotta say to you, man. Career is finished. Your career is done. Social. He's the monkey, Jeff. I'll pay attention from next week on. You gotta pay attention right now, man. Fuck next week, man. Next week is not gonna be here. Sometimes you might die today. You may die today, tonight, this second. God may take your life. But do right now. There is no next week, man. There is no from next week. If you really want to do something, you would do it right now, man. If you really want to pay attention, you would pay attention right now. You would fucking grind. You would not waste a single minute of your life. Saying? You guys thinking like, oh, I'm gonna have a next week. I'm gonna have time. It's like, fuck no. Some motherfucker right about me just died, bro. Just got killed. Not dead. I mean, he got heart attack. He was fucking young. He was 23 years old. He died. Like healthy man. Just heart attack got his ass. All right, what I'm saying. Don't wait for. Don't wait for. Don't. Don't All right, let me stop. Let me stop being such a fucking bitch ass. Okay. I was waiting for EURUSD, but I get it's an EURUSD fish May day. What you talking about, man? Wait, oh my boy Gizweeb. What the fuck you talking about, man? What the fuck? I was waiting for EURUSD, but I get it's in N LUSD. Fish May day. May day. May. It's not May yet, man. It's not May yet. It's not May yet. I don't know when it's May. So you finished till May. Okay, so your May day is finished. Ah, May. Hey Siri, how long is May till now? Hey Siri, what month is May? Oh shit. You wait months. You said my day. Oh, I read it wrong. I read it wrong. Okay, I was just doing it for fucking purpose. I was just doing it on purpose. I was doing it on purpose. I was just trying to make fun of you, okay? I was just doing it on purpose, okay? I was doing it. I got some jokes. I got some jokes in my sleeves, okay? I got some jokes. I got some jokes. Oh yeah, I don't trade more than one pair, man. It's true because I don't need to trade more than one pair. Like making 14 RR is fine. Making good ass RR is fine. I don't need to trade more than one pair. I need to be a specialist, man. Damn, what a die today. Hey. Oh. Your joke's so fun. No, your joke's no funny. Ah, damn. Okay. I need to become with better jokes. I need to become with better jokes. Chat, I'm not a guy who jokes a lot, bro. Like, I'm not a joker, man. Hey, if you want jokes, if you want jokes, go to a joker. I'm not a joker, man. I'm Batman. I'm that rich motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Everybody here is a Batman. Everybody here. Was good, blood. Was good. My jokes are very funny. I could see, I could smell it. It's funny. Yeah, what are the chances of this giving us a set of fucking 0? I'm not taking a trade, man. I'm not taking this trade. Bro, can you ask XRP and Polymatic? I bet Siri can do better. The Siri, who is Siri? Oh, it's Siri. Oh, what are you talking about? Siri or SRI? What is that? I bet Sir can do better. What are you talking about, man? The fuck are you talking about? You got, bro, everybody here English is fucked up, okay? Except my boy Chris. My boy Chris and my boy T. Those are the only people who English are not fucked up. Everybody else is fucked up. Can you analyze XRP and Polymatic? No. No, I don't want to do it. You're gonna make me just playing with you. Okay. But we're trading right now. We're trading. Okay, we're trading, so we can't do that right now. We can't. But fuck it. Let's do it. I love you, okay? I love you. But I gotta have some self-resilience. After this chat, if you guys tell me to analyze anything else, I'm not doing it, right? Because I'm not going to do that because I don't want that to build that. I don't want that to build a habit. Okay? Let's go to XRP. But this is the last one. Last one, okay? Finance. Okay, let's 3 month time frames. Go to the 3 month. 3 months. Yeah, I hate XRP. XRP is actually a good thing. I don't know if people hate it on this, but XRP 3 months at a high. Yeah. Monthly, weekly, weekly. Trauma. Yeah, I suggest you don't take no trades because you guys can only long it here, right? You guys can't short, right? So yeah, your shorting opportunity would have been down here. Your long opportunity would have been down here. I mean, I don't see nothing happening here. I mean, if you want to take this, chase it to the downside, but shorting on a big ass, bull market is not that good. You know what I'm saying? So XRP, I don't got nothing because there's not enough information for me to think where market might go. Polymatic. Let me just copy that shit because I'm not trying to write that shit down. I'm trying to write that shit down, man. Polymatic, nigga, I just put that shit down. Polymatic geese, I bet Siri can do better. What are you talking about, man? What is this, bro? Give me a fucking count. Come on, man. Okay, where's Polymatic? Better. What the fuck? I didn't even put better. Oh shit, I put the wrong word. Oh shit, I put the wrong word. I put the wrong word, okay? Polymatic. PolyUSD crypto. Is it this one right over here? Are you talking about this? Polymatic. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Let me see. PolyUSD. Let's just do this one then. So the market cap is, what is this? Okay. I mean, it does just go with the narrative and trend. If if this does not go with the narrative and trend, don't trade it. What type of this? What is this? Let's search it up in crypto. Search up in crypto market cap. Holy math. Let's see. Holy math. You gotta do some research before you do this shit, man. What the fuck? I just wrote it down, bro. What the fuck are you talking about, man? Holy math, man. Okay, number 300. He has a 182 million market cap. It is a contract. What is it? Rating 3.7 star, which is not great. Wallets. Where's the narrative of this though? Tag is marketplace co-founder Ethereum ecosystem, bro. Ethereum is not pumping right now. Fuck no. Look at the volume on this. Hell no. A 74,000 volume? What the fuck? Yeah, bro. Shit. I mean, if you want to take a gamble on this shit, I mean, go ahead, bro. You ain't gonna make shit from this. I mean, if you wanted to make money on this, your opportunity is gone, bro. It's long gone. Like, you already here to take profit. If you would have made opportunity on this trade, you would have had to go down here. You would have had to go all down here to our monthly as well. You would have had to go down here to the 4 hour time frame. I mean, daily. This is your only way. So you have a daily CRT here. You go to the hourly for the entry. Yeah, so you could go to the 4 hour time frame. You look for even more redefined. 4 hour right over here. Right, your entry is gone, bro. There's no way you're gonna get in this trade. Your shit gone. Yeah, your bitch is gone, man. I mean, I don't even think you can analyze this shit, but boom, this is the last scan that tapped it. With bullish. This right over here is your entry. Full ass candle. There's no volume on this. I mean, your entry is gone, long gone, my man. But you can't even take this trade like this. You can't even put your stop loss right over here because spread is gonna be overtake you, right? Because I mean, I don't know if you do this on profit or something, but take profit 1 is a 3 RR. Take profit 2 is a Older over here. See in the monthly. Yeah, you're going for a huge ass RR. You're going from a 39 RR here. And you could go even higher from here, right? Go to the monthly, go to the monthly. 3 months again one more time. You would have attacked this high as first of all your first take profit. Your second take profit would have been the monthly for more information here. Take profit, last take profit would have been all over here. So this fair value gap gets inverse. You go into the high that creates this fair value gap. It could be this because what could be all over here, right? But both way you're making money, right? This one you make a little bit more money, which would have been a little bit safer because fair value gap you go from a ERL to IRL's alligator inverse. You go to the high that creates this IRL, right? So right over here. So you would have had a huge amount of gain. You would have entered at the bottom. People will be like, "Oh, this is such a." You probably be like, "Oh, this is such a." This is like a total soup. No, this is like a redefined entry, right? Take profit would have been all the way over here for a 50 RR, I think. Sure. 57. That's a huge amount of RR right there. Let's see how much you're making on a gain. So from like out over there. You would have only made 100% gain. That's shit. You good to you. You did not take this shit. Bro, you can set some good coins, bro. I suggest don't trading that shit, man. I suggest not trading crypto right now. I suggest not doing shit, man. I suggest not doing shit. I don't wanna give you guys bad coins. I don't wanna fuck you guys up life. I don't wanna fuck up your shit, man. I'm not gonna give you that shit. I'm not gonna tell you, okay? I'm not gonna tell you. We're gonna do it if I don't tell you. Nothing. 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 Okay? Because I don't wanna lead you to bad something bad and you lose money. You do your own research, man. I'm not gonna do your research for you, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna be fucking you up, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna fuck you up. I don't want to fuck you up. Let's see if I'm gonna have a bottle one here. Jiu-jitsu. Live till whole night, man. You tripping, cuz? What are you talking about? Are you gay? That's kind of weird, bro. No. I'm not an OnlyFans guy, man. I'm not an OnlyFans. Okay, I don't do OnlyFans. I don't do OnlyFans. I used to run an agency on it though. I used to, hey, yeah, run it. Shit, I ran some fucking ugly ass agency. I ran some ugly ass girls agency. I was like, all right, man, just hey, I'm making a good profit from you, man. I made 40% profit. Hey, took 40% of her profit. She was just fucking doing news left and right, left and right. I was like, hey, thank you. I didn't even look at her shit. I didn't even give a fuck. She sent me videos. I don't give a shit. I was like, bro, give me that video. Let's put it on. I don't give a fuck. She had a big titty, she had a big ass. I don't give a shit. You know what I'm saying? Agencies. Webcam. I ain't give a fuck. My friend put me on, bro. I don't even know at first. I didn't even know what it was. That girl just sent me the images after images. I was like, okay, they just upload it for her. Her as all she would do just twerk, bro. What the fuck you gonna do with twerking? I was like, damn, he making good money though. Hey, shit, just let me profit. Like I don't, you know, saying I don't vape or anything like that. I don't goon or anything like that. That's just fucking gay. I don't know why I'm talking about that, bro. But yeah, man, kinda gay. You saying that you are kinda sus. You need to. I don't, bro. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop with this bullshit, bro. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, stop. Okay, let me stop. I'm about to get pissed off here, man. Weekly recap video. Yes, I will do that, bro. I will do that. I will do that. I will do that. It's gonna be later today, not right now. Because after I'm done with this, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go chill for like an hour or so. And I'm gonna go talk to some bitches. Some bitches gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get fucked. I'm trying to get back. Just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Oh yeah, there's some big moves. Some big moves. Just hope my bitches like me, man. Shit. The girl say, "What did you?" Oh my god. I once told her trying to give me some roadhead. I was like, hey, let me stop giving my life stuff, man. Calm down, bro. Calm down, Taki. You're not that guy. You're not that him. You're not him, brother. I am not that guy. I am not that guy. I am not him. I am not fucking him. Okay? I don't know what the fuck am I sniffing on that shit. That shit's nasty. That shit's nasty, man. See y'all all next week. See ya, brothers. Chat, at this right when this shit gets souped, I'm done. Right when this high gets souped, I'm done for the day. My time is running out, right? The time of this purge of the CRT is running out. So at 10:30 I did not get a purge. But we do have an SMT, so it's still valid. So right when the SMT gets invalidated, we're done. I'm saying, chat. Like, what are the chances this giving us a setup 0? It's bullish candles left and right. Bullish candles. Oh, fuck it, we're gonna have a setup here. This is very nice though. So now next week we're gonna have a clear ass setup to the upside. We're gonna have it clear, bro. Clear, clear. Come on, just push that shit out, man. Gotta stay in the live until you push it out. Cause you never know. اللهم صل آل محمد وآل آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وآل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وآل آل محمد الأمين. نبي. آه. آه. ورا الجول بكره مخورة. اه Oh, we're done. I see you guys next week. My boss is invalidated. I am done. Peace out. I'm on my daily market recap. I'm gonna do it right now. Talk later. This is my market recap of 1/24/2025. No trades taken today. Our buys got invalidated. Let's go over what we're looking for, right? So on a daily time frame, today was really I'm saying day. So daily we're going from a daily ERL to IRL, right? Daily CRT to the down. There's no daily CRT to the downside. We're going from a daily Friday reversal slash retracement. You can see how today the trend got met as our I was a Tuesday trade. So today should have not been a trading day at all because our journal got met that day. So that day when the journal gets met, market likes to cool off, right? So that's that. And on a daily time frame, what we have here on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, at a 4 hour, we're in a premium area, so market stood at a low high. We had a premium discount. We had a daily range high, daily range low. So yes, our range high got purged right now, but guess what? There was the time of the purge. That time the purge happened like at 10:30. So before 10:30, we did not have a purge, so I could not take a trade. We did have SMT right over here. The SMT got validated. That's why I'm ended the stream. But that's all we had. We had a daily range. The order flow was bullish. We had a range high that got. We had a range high with an SMT, which got false, right? So yeah, we're looking for a negative reversal. Nothing special here. Just a normal day where the market validated our bias. But we had no risk on the table, so we're chilling. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, share. I see you guys inside of this.